Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a primary email address on Facebook. So you have a Facebook account, you have created that account using an email address, but now you want to change that email address because you don't have access to that email address, or there's some other reason you want to change that email address from a primary email address, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change a primary email address in a Facebook account. It's a very simple process. Follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to change a primary email address in Facebook is open a Facebook application in a mobile device. Once you open a Facebook application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change your email address from. Once you log into that account, you land at an interface like this. From here, in order to change your primary email address, what you want to do is tap on the three bars in the top right corner. From the menu, what you want to do is scroll down and go into settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, choose settings. Once you go into settings and privacy section, you land at an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is go into personal and account information from the account section. Once you go into your personal and account information, go into contact info. Once you go into contact info, you land at an interface like this. Here on the bottom, you'll see an option labeled as add email address. Tap on that. Once you tap on the add email address option, you land on an interface like this. Here you'll have the option to add an email address, so go ahead and enter the email address that you want to change the primary email address to. Once you enter the email address, what you want to do is tap on the add email button. Once you tap on the add email button, you'll successfully add the email to your Facebook account. Now what you'll need to do is confirm the emails. To confirm the email, what you want to do is tap on the confirm button. Once you tap on the confirm button, Facebook will send a link to your email address in order to confirm your emails. So now what you want to do is go to that email. Once you get to that email, look for an email from Facebook. The email will be labeled as new email address added on Facebook. Open that email. Once you open that email, here you'll see a section like this. Here you'll have the confirmation code. To confirm your email address, what you want to do is tap on the confirm button. Once you tap on the confirm button, you'll be redirected to a page like this. There you'll successfully confirm your email address. Now once you confirm the email, what you want to do is go back to the Facebook application. Once you go back to your Facebook application, tap on the three bars again, then tap on your profile, then go to edit profile again. Once you go to edit profile, scroll down and go to edit your about info. In edit about info, locate contact information. Then tap on the edit button besides the contact information section. Once you tap on the edit profile option, you'll land on an interface like this. Now what you want to do is go into manage contact information option. Then you'll see two email addresses that you're using in your Facebook. Now to change your primary email address, what you want to do is tap on the email address that you want to set to your primary email address. Then what you want to do is tap on the make primary option just below the email address. Once you do that, you'll successfully change the primary email address in a Facebook account. So that was the simple steps in order to change a primary email address in a Facebook account. I'll tell you one thing before you change your primary email address. Make sure the email that you use as a primary email address is accessible to you. If not, you'll be locked out of your Facebook account forever. So make sure you are using the email address that you have access to in order to use it as a primary email address. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.